The rigging video I uploaded 2 years ago got a lot of views belatedly. So I tried making it again. This is done using grease pencil object. Add an armature that will be used as a skeleton first. First, I want to make a part that is used as a spine, so I subdivide in edit mode. In edit mode, use extrude to create the arm and leg bones. The advantage of this stickman rigging method using a grease pencil is that you can freely draw the shape of the skeleton. Until Blender allows us to apply geometry nodes directly to the grease pencil object, this seems to be the most efficient method for stickman rigging. To make it easier to distinguish when drawing a stickman body with a grease pencil object, change the display mode of the bone. Now add a grease pencil object and draw the stickman's body. The point to note here is to draw the grease pencil object so that only one vertex is located at each joint. That way, the automatic weights feature is applied neatly later. In order to place only one vertex at each joint, set the subdivision value to 0 in the grease pencil drawing mode, and use the extrude function to draw the stickman's body according to the position of each joint. After the stickman's body is all drawn, select the grease pencil object first, hold down the Shift key, select the armature object, and then press Ctrl+P. In the Set Parent to submenu, select Armature, Deform with Automatic Weights. The stickman's body parts can now be controlled according to the movement of each joint. Now we're going to create an additional head part for the stickman. In edit mode, extrude the bones that will be connected to the head. Display the names of the bones for smooth operation later when using the relations function of the grease pencil object. Select the grease pencil object, add a new layer on which the head part will be drawn in draw mode, and draw the head. Grease pencil provides a relations function that can be linked to one bone per layer. Through the relations function, the face picture and head bones are connected. Now, if you check it in pose mode, you can see that all the pictures are well connected with the bone system. We will cover X settings and other character bone setups that will make the bones move more efficiently in the next opportunity. That's it for this video. Thank you for all your time.